Hello everybody and welcome to My Curl Products. My name is Lisa Fuller, Styles by Lisa, and I am the founder of My Curl Products. And today I will be doing a tutorial using My Curl Products to style locks. So this is my beautiful assistant Dawn, and I am going to be doing a retwist on her roots using our My Curl sauce. So her hair's already been shampooed, and I am using about a quarter size amount on wet hair, and I am retwisting her roots using clips to hold the roots tight. You want to make sure that when you're twisting each section that the hair is wet so that when you apply the curl sauce, the sauce gel absorbs into the hair. After I've completed the twisting, I'm sitting her under the dryer, and then I'm going to give her a cute style. And here is her style. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave comments below. Please subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials, and for more information about our products, visit our site mycurlproducts.com. Thank you.